Welcome fellow overlanders and off-road enthusiasts to another episode of 4X4GULF product review series.
Navigate with Garmin caliber GPS data on the mobile device of your choice. The Glo 2 receiver brings you the best of both worlds by combining GPS and GLONASS receivers with Bluetooth wireless technology so you can enjoy precise position information on your iPad, iPhone or Android device. The accuracy of GPS and GLONASS. Glo 2 can receive position information from both the GPS and GLONASS satellite constellations, allowing it to connect to up to 24 more satellites than devices that rely on GPS alone. This allows Glo 2 to lock onto satellites approximately 20% faster and remain connected even at high speed. What's more, Glo 2 updates its position information at 10 times per second, that's up to 10 times more often than the GPS receivers in many mobile devices. Set it up and go. Using Bluetooth technology, the Glo 2 receiver wirelessly pairs to your mobile device. Just set Glo 2 within range of your mobile device, and in moments, you'll be receiving the Glo 2 receiver's position data. It has up to 13 hours of battery life to keep your position on long trips, and charging Glo 2 between uses is easy with the included USB cable or optional 12 by 24 volts vehicle power cable. The optional friction mount keeps the receiver safe on your dashboard and in full view of satellites. Track recording at driving speeds is equal to what I've seen on any of my various devices.
Today I'm going to show you what comes in the box of the Garmin Glo. The Garmin Glo is a Bluetooth GPS sensor with GLONASS. GLONASS is the Russian satellite system that rivals GPS. So it's going to give you almost twice as many satellites to track because it could track the two different systems. So when you're in downtown areas, you'll be able to track satellites much better and get a better position for when you're driving around. The Garmin Glo is iPod, iPad, and iPhone compatible, and it's also compatible with Android devices. So it's perfect for your tablet or mobile phone. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. I'm just going to move this out of frame. And here's the unit which comes in the box. It's about the size of a Halloween chocolate bar. It's got two LED indicators up here. The middle one is for your Bluetooth, so it's going to tell you if you have a Bluetooth connection or not, or if you're pairing. We have our satellite status indicator LED. It's actually a multicolored one. In the manual, it'll tell you all the various combinations of the blinking and the colors that let you know the status of the GPS signal. And then we have the power button right here with the power button icon on it, and you just hold that in for a second to turn it on. Right next to the power button is the USB port for charging the battery in the unit. It does have a rechargeable lithium battery. On the bottom, it's got 4 rubber feet, so it doesn't slide around on your dash very much. So it'll stay in one position, so you don't need to worry about it getting damaged. It does have a user replaceable battery, which is underneath this cover. Just pull this tab back and lift the case up. We have our serial number in here just in case you need to register the device, which you will. There's 3 metal tabs here that line up with the battery tabs. This is the lithium battery that comes in the box. Put the tabs together first, and then slide the back of the battery in. And it sits in there nice and snug. And then what we need to do is put the back cover back on. So now we have the battery in the device, and it's ready to start tracking satellites and connect with our phone. In the box, we have the USB cable to charge it. And then the last thing in the box is the manual. And again, this is iPod, iPhone, and iPad compatible, and it's also compatible with your Android device. That was a look at what comes in the box of the Garmin Glo.
We hope you enjoyed this quick review and install guide. Click on the bell icon for updates on our next video. Stay tuned for more. And thank you for watching.